In today's video we will be talking about the best places to sell your handmade products online. These platforms are great, whether you are an experienced seller or you're just getting started. So, let's jump right in. Etsy is one of the most well-known marketplaces for selling handmade products online. Etsy is a great place to start if you are just starting out because they have millions of active customers looking every day to buy products on their platform. On Etsy you can sell anything from handmade arts and crafts, crafting supplies, artwork, vintage and antique items, and even digital download products. There is even an option to run ads on their platform if you are interested in giving your products a boost in the search engines. Rather than charging a monthly fee to sell on their platform, Etsy instead charges a listing fee of 20 cents per product that you list and a 6.5% transaction fee of the total sales price. There is also a 3% payment processing fee plus 25 cents per transaction fee that is charged on each sell. The payment processing covers the cost of handling the credit card and bank fees associated when using Etsy payments. If you choose not to use Etsy payments to process your sales, then you can also use PayPal as an option. In order to make a decent profit on Etsy, you need to take these fees into consideration when pricing your products. Even though the fees may seem high, Etsy still provides a great opportunity for new handmade and craft businesses because of their already established and large customer base. Another popular platform to sell on is Amazon Handmade. They currently have an active customer base of over 300 million people. Amazon Handmade is different from the regular Amazon platform that we all know. Amazon Handmade is designed specifically for unique and handcrafted products. Everything must be handmade or hand-altered. No mass-produced product may be sold on this marketplace. Here are some examples of the categories you can sell on Amazon Handmade: accessories, artwork, jewelry and watches, baby items, shoes and handbags, beauty and personal care items, clothing, stationery and party supplies, home items, outdoor and home care, kitchen and dining, sporting goods, and pet supplies. One of the benefits of selling on Amazon Handmade is that you have an option to join their FBA program. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This is when you ship your handmade products to Amazon's warehouse, and then every time you make a sale, Amazon automatically sends your product out to the customer. If you are just starting out, it may be more cost-effective to ship your products directly to the customers, as there are fees associated with using the FBA service. However, once your business grows, this is a great option that will save you so much time. Joining Amazon Handmade, creating your shop, and listing products is free. There is a $39.99 monthly fee to get started, however the fee will be waived once your application is approved. Whenever you make a sale, Amazon Handmade will deduct a 15% referral fee. One platform that a lot of people don't consider for selling their handmade products is eBay. eBay.com is an online auction site with over 183 million active buyers. They are known as a reliable platform to purchase handmade products. Although they are known for their products being sold auction style, you can also offer a buy it now purchase price. eBay typically charges a final value fee for most categories of 12.9% of the sale price or lower, plus a 30-cent insertion fee for every item listed for sale. How successful you are on eBay would be determined by how competitive you can be with your pricing. Also, it depends if there is a market for the type of handmade products that you will be selling. Ecrater is a free web store builder and an online marketplace. This marketplace has a smaller audience of over 65,000 users. This may be a better option if you already have your own customers or a following on social media that is already interested in purchasing your handmade items. You don't have to pay any monthly subscription fees or any final value fees, unless Ecrater helps you receive a sale through the main marketplace. If this is the case, you will be charged a 2.9% fee of the sale price. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to launch your own website. They host over 4 million active stores online. This is because their platform makes it easy for sellers to build and customize their own online shop. The best benefit to opening a store on Shopify is that you do not need to know any special design or coding skills to get started. You can use the free themes included with your subscription or purchase pre-made themes to upload and use on your shop. Plus, they have thousands of plugins that you can add to your shop as your business grows and you need more features. Another benefit of opening your own shop is that you are not subject to the same rules and regulations you must follow when selling on other platforms. Shopify has a monthly subscription fee starting at $29 a month for their basic plan. I will leave a link in the description below to a free trial so that you can try Shopify first and see if it is a right fit for your business. Since you will own your website, you will be responsible for driving customers to your online store. This means finding ways to promote your business and spreading the word so that people know about your online shop. On this channel, we share tips to help you build and grow a successful handmade business from home. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified when we post our next video. Thanks for watching.